Welcome to Energy Markets Talk number 4 with the CEO of the Central European Gas Hub, Gottfried Steiner. From Vienna, Gottfried, thanks for joining.
Thank you.
Well, these are strange times for the gas markets. So how is the Central European Gas Hub coping with the COVID-19 crisis? How are you keeping the services going?
Well, thank you. First of all healthy here with us. So we had no issue with the infection as such. And also I would say for the full gas industry, all service have been on. We are running smoothly and steadily. And the gas turntable here at the Central European Gas Hub was always available. And we contributed to the functioning of the gas markets. So insofar, everything was running okay. In fact, in terms of the volumes nominated at CEGH during this lockdown period, we actually had an all-time high in March 2020 with 84 terawatt hours, which is an increase of 23% compared with the same period in 2019. And in April, we had also a record level with plus 42% compared with April 2019. Amounting to close to 70 terawatt hours of nominated volumes. And also in May 2020, so far in the first days, this looks all normal and above May 2019. So we are about 20% above. So I have to say for us, and a knock on wood, all good, all healthy, business is running fine, and we contribute to the functioning of the markets.
Okay. That's not what I was expecting, so that's very good to hear. So how is that? How do you explain this this big rise?
I think it's partially because of the activities in the months before. So we saw this very special autumn season and winter season with first this Russia-Ukraine conflict, which at the end was solved close to the New Year's Day. And then the first months were actually quite active months. And in March, if you look at the liquidity and volatility and the volumes traded, this was an absolute record month, all about falling prices and the uncertainty about COVID and the increasing volatility in this time. So I think this is all contributing to this very high volumes and the very high activity which we have here at CEGH.
What are your views with regards to the near future?
So luckily, nominated volumes at Central European Gas Hub are still increasing. Even in May so far, we are 20% up compared with last year. But we all look with a bit of a shock moment in your eyes at the gas price, which is decreasing and coming down further and further. We had last weekend our all-time low, in fact, and for the first time, the CEGH, the average daily reference price was below €7. I mean, still up compared with TTF with 4, and still going down. But that's for sure something which is a big thing for all of us. What we see is that the so-called physical churn rate is very high here. So we are constantly above 4.35 in April, 4.20 in March. Usually we are around 3 something. So you see here that the low gas price, lots of liquidity, lots of volumes in the market. This is impacting the market quite significantly. On the other hand, what we also see is that the gas storages are going to fill up very quickly. And then I think this situation will, at least for a couple of more weeks, still be there. Yeah.
Okay, clear. Well, thank you very much, Gottfried, for this short chat.
Yeah, sure.
And I hope it won't take too long before we can meet each other in person again. Hopefully in November at the ETCSEE conference.